Suhani, and for Priya Sridharan. That's your cue. There you are! Yay! On a Wednesday afternoon, we've got two very, very charismatic personalities. Can we please bring both of you together and ask you a few questions? Fantastic. जी जरूर दोनों से ही पूछूंगी. Fantastic. सबसे पहले a big round of applause for the fact that you've done so well with Fukre Returns. How does it feel to be rich and successful?
How does it feel to be? Good evening, everybody. I mean, rich and successful, I think, is relative. Because if you ask Karan Johar, he'll have a very different idea of what is rich and successful. So Raju Hirani will have a different. But the idea, I mean, the thought is that if people have loved the film, it's the number of people who went to see it. So agar, that figure which they call box office, if you equate that to the number of tickets sold, I'm happy with that. So I don't know what the rest of the number is, but the appreciation and the love the film got, I'm overwhelmed. I'm very happy with it.
Excellent. Can we just have a couple of more mics on stage? Super quickly, thank you. So next question I want to ask Priya ma'am, why 3 stories? Why this film? It's a very basic and very stupid question also, but why 3 stories?
Well, it's a very compelling story to begin with. And I think that this kind of a film hasn't been done for a while because it has a very specific environment, which is, it is set in a chawl. And it has packed performances. And my first my first film with Ritesh and Farhan and Be For You. So yeah, it's super exciting.
So the reason actually is because it's 3 stories. You see, ek, do, teen. ऐसे ही है. So it's 3 stories. That's the only reason.
So wise. Why is your name Ritesh? Why isn't it Birbal?
Why is it Birbal?
Yeah.
वो मुझे मेरी माँ से पूछना पड़ेगा.
But it is set in 3 stories. So yeah, we'll talk more about it later.
Definitely, but I just want to ask you one question before I get the other stars and the guests on stage. So Ritesh and Farhan, this team has been so, you know, amazing with the kind of films that they've given us. Were you intimidated at any point that, you know, this collaboration, I don't know, is it going to work? Am I going to be like, were there inhibitions at all?
No, not at all, because I think we're all here to make good stories, and Ritesh and Farhan are one of the best producers in the business. So for me, it was a very easy choice, because the films that I've made in the past have also been very story-based films. So when this came and the opportunity came to work together, I think it was a perfect match between us.
Fantastic. We're just hoping this film, more than making lots and lots of money and moolah, it I don't know, changes and moves something within as well, right? So can we please call upon the director of this film? The name is Arjun Mukherjee. Very good-looking man. Can we please have a huge round of applause for Arjun Mukherjee?
He's already got the swag in his walk.
There you go. I told you. See? Can we have a couple of more mics, please? Thank you. How are you, Arjun?
I'm well, thank you.
The film looks fantastic.
Thank you.
Your hair looks fantastic.
Thank you.
How much time do you spend?
Your hair is backlit in blue.
That's my swag. Let's talk about your swag. This film, it is there are lots of layers. It's like an onion. It's got layers and layers and layers and layers. I mean, and a film like this, please have a seat, I'm so sorry. A film like this, what is it, task, challenging, or was it something that you absolutely wanted to do since day one of getting into cinema?
Well, the script came to us from Althea Kaushal. She lives in Dubai, and Priya and I worked on the script with her for about 6-7 months. So yeah, the script is very dear to us. And you're absolutely right. It is like an onion. It's peeling the layers, knocking on the door, asking the question, just unveiling, and the fascinating stuff that lies behind basically all our faces, uncovering the masks we wear on a daily basis. So that's what it's about, and that's very interesting for me personally.
It's actually, I don't know, I mean, should I even ask this question? I mean, if I have gone into the theater, am I going to see myself on that screen and then come back and feel that, oh my God, I just saw a reflection of myself in a story, in a film of about 96 minutes?
Maybe, but I would say you would look at the stranger sitting next to you and wonder what was behind her or his face and mask. I think it would invoke curiosity about others, maybe. But if you see a reflection of yourself, great, that'll be an extra victory for me.
It's such an ironical sort of thing to be in right now that I want to see the film, but I'm slightly scared also. So if we had to sort of put this in a genre, what genre would we fit it into? Like a thriller or human stories, emotion?
It's a tough question. We've been grappling with what genre it is. I would say it's a human drama would be the closest.
Life, basically.
Yeah, life.
Super.
But actually, it's tough to define a genre, I would say.
Yeah, an onion genre.
Onion genre is a good one, yeah.
Super,
Absolutely.
super. Okay.
Pickled onion, even better.
Pickled onion. I like that. I'm taking you out for dinner. I don't know if you want to come
Excellent.
along with me, though. Okay, let's just call upon Richa Chadha and Pulkit Sharma on stage. Samrat, of course. Why? It's my birthday. That doesn't mean that I can make mistakes like these. That was subtle. Pulkit Samrat and Richa Chadha on stage. Thank you. Can we please clap for them? That's their cue. If you don't clap, they don't come.
Big applause.
Pulkit, your good looks have just blinded me, and I took your surname wrong, so apologies, Your Highness.
No. Anything you call me with love, I'm always happy.
पति बुला दूंगी मैं, ऐसे मत बोलो, ठीक है? Good to see you, Pulkit. Thank you so much, Richa. Can you please take a seat and we'll ask you a few questions. How do you manage to look so sexy in every avatar? Every avatar. Over here, the way you've looked in those 2 seconds also, Katil. How do you manage, Richa?
They hired a damn good makeup artist actually. I had nothing to do with it. And that's the secret to anybody looking sexy at all times because it's not possible.
She's being modest.
For sure. I mean, it's not the makeup. I'm talking about the look, the way you look at things.
I love the character. She's like this fantasy kind of creature. Everybody is swooning after her. Her name is also Leela. I enjoyed playing this kind of a role. I normally don't. So that's why this was very fun for me to do.
But you are a Murat of versatility. You know that. No? You've done all sorts of things. You're like a Gujarati thali. There's everything. Everything that we've sort of expected or not expected will be given by who? Richa Chadha.
Okay.
That's
From
what you
now
want
on, you can call me Gujarati Thali, but
I'm not making any armrest jokes.
Pulkit, moving on to you. Fukre returns. What a diverse character. And now, this man who is behind 2 crores, not behind 2 crores, something is on about him. Why 3 stories? Why did you choose this?
Why did I choose this?
Yes.
Firstly, of course, the kind of cast that is there in this one, to be working with such an amazing cast, and also to get an opportunity to learn from my seniors like Renuka ji, and I had a couple of scenes with her. So that was very exciting. Obviously, I heard the script, which was very exciting. And everything when it came together, there was no reason for me to even think twice about this film.
Right.
And after Fukre, to do something which has a little more teraf and mystery in the character, rather than being so energetic and jumping around and being the Londa, though I'm the guy in this as well, which is obvious. But so I think it was an obvious choice to go with.
If
and
you did-
Richa being sexy in the films,
Of course.
I had to.
How can you miss out on that? Every chance you get, we're going to talk about Richa Chadha's sexiness. But if you did manage to get 2 crore rupees, hypothetically, let's just... you probably are getting it also.
No, I
but
get it.
If
That's
you
not a
do,
problem.
if you do in a matchbox, what is the first thing that you're going to buy, Pulkit?
If I get it in a matchbox,
Yeah, what is the first thing that
what
you're
is
going to
the first
buy?
thing
What's the
I'm gonna
reaction going to
buy?
be like?
what's the first thing I'm gonna buy? I don't know.
just put it in your bank quietly.
Yeah.
Use it wisely
And
later.
link your Aadhaar card.
I'll try and use it before the new denomination gets out of the market. That's
boy.
more important now.
Good boy. And Mr. World का खिताब जाता है तुम्हें. Can we please have a huge round of applause for Masume and Renuka Shahani ma'am. That's their cue. So if you don't clap hard enough, they don't come. Hello, ma'am. How are you today?
I'm very well, thanks. I'm doing very well. I'm very happy that the film is releasing.
From Bhabhi Ji Khushiyon Ka Khazana to this Mummy Returns. Wow. And that look. When you saw yourself first, you were like, can I be this also? Did you, like, what was your sort of mindset when you said yes to the film, you were acting in the film?
Actually, when I was offered the film itself, I was just stunned. I said, कि ये कौन सोचता है कि मुझे एक ऐसा role offer करे?
Exactly.
So I was like really, and of course, as an actor, I was so excited by it, and I was so happy that I was selected for the role. And to sink your teeth into a character which is not from your milieu at all is very rare for any actor. So it's been such a fantastic journey, helped a lot by makeup artist Serena, who did my makeup, of course, and Fabeha, who did the clothes, Meenal, who did the set. So it all kind of created Florrie. And of course, the brain behind it is Arjun, who had this conviction about casting me in it. And then finally, I got help from a lady called Anna Pereira, whose clip Arjun had sent me to do sort of homework on. And she was amazing. I mean, whatever I've based in the film is very much Anna Pereira from Juhu. And the other thing is that my hairstylist is a Goan Christian, so she helped me, Jenny. So I had 2 or 3 people who I could base my character on. It was wonderful.
We're very grateful that you're coming in a film where you're acting Florrie, and I don't know why, but we're feeling that maybe end mein na sabka khoon kar degi ye ladki. Ye sabko maar degi. Yeah, something like that. Maybe it's just my brain. But I am so glad, and I'm so glad and happy, and thank you for having Renuka Shahane ma'am in this character.
Actually, we are very grateful that she's in our film.
How nice.
Thanks.
How nice. Moving on to Masume, there's so many shades. There's so much. We are thinking maybe ये लड़की शायद प्यार में है, 1 साल चाहिए मम्मी पापा से, अच्छा ठीक है, लेकिन ये चल रही है, ये ट्रेन के नीचे तो नहीं आ जाएगी. What all went and happened to you in this film? Did it affect you in your personal life? Because it is quite, it affects us in 2 minutes of the trailer.
Well, thank you for that. We tried really hard, and I think what was really fun about doing the characters is nothing like I've ever done before.
Yes.
It's not a character that I've ever been offered before also to do. In fact, I had to fight for this role, literally. I have to tell you a story that Arjun loves to say, by the way. He saw my Google pictures and says, this character doesn't look like what I want. You know, how is it possible? So that same day, I basically went to my maid and said, can you please give me your sari? And if I actually
What
get
did
the
she?
part...
I want to know. What was her reaction? क्या कह रही हो दीदी? मैं नहीं दूंगी साड़ी. मैं आऊंगी कल से काम पे. What did she have to say about
I
it?
told her I'll pay her for it also. If I get the role, I will pay you for that sari. Let me just wear it for this audition so that they think that I can be this character.
Right.
And I actually worked really hard to try and be in the part and do all of that. And then finally came then, I refused to do the audition unless Arjun actually came and said, listen, watch it. And then the rest is history, I would say.
With the cast, I mean, there's so much talent happening over here, है ना? Were there moments where you had to underplay yourself or overplay yourself only so that you could match up with the energies of the cast?
Well, there's a brilliant cast for sure, and they all put so much effort into it. But the synergies of everyone was so wonderful. Priya created such an amazing atmosphere on the set that we all felt like it was community living, and we were like part of a family, a bigger family that did really strange things. But yeah.
Yeah, like who puts like crore, itna sab matlab heere jawharat in a matchbox? When did that happen?
See, you never know, you know.
You never know. See?
All these people out here, we don't know what they're doing or what's in their lives, right? So,
Wow.
Come see ours.
Can't wait for the 9th of March. But let's just call upon the remaining cast, which is available, which is here. Aisha Ahmed and Ankit Rathi. Can we please have you on stage? Can we please clap for them, guys? Debut. There's a seat right there. Ankit and Aisha, were you ragged on the sets?
Not at all, sadly. We don't have any like fun stories to share.
Like no pranks played on you at all whatsoever?
No pranks, but Renuka ma'am used to be the one who would take our pictures while we are asleep, like on set, night shoot. Like she would just come
Absolutely
around.
Flory character. Mummy Returns is doing all these very weird, twisted things. Ankit, I want to ask you a question. So is every sort of a debut actor, and I shouldn't be generalizing, but they want this, you know, flying very slow motion में और कोई मार रहा है और लड़की बचा रहा है और you obviously didn't choose that path.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for that. Thank you for breaking the stereotype.
Welcome.
But why 3 stories then? Why did you choose this film?
Actually, the film chose me, to be very honest, because it's very surreal. Because I was giving audition. I'm not from industry, and like a random audition, I gave the audition for this film, and I was lucky enough that Priya and Arjun and Ritesh and everyone selected. So I think the film chose me, but I was lucky and fortunate enough that I get to work in this kind of film. I would say that.
I just want to do this and say, बहुत बढ़िया काम किया बेटा तुमने. Very nice work.
Thank you.
Moving to Aisha. Aisha has the same question, you know. I mean, with debutants, you know how it is. I mean, there's a lot of the co-stars are having dinner together, and कोई किसी का बेटा है, कोई किसी की बेटी है. Well, but that's besides the point. But there's a lot of drama, and there's a lot of too much commercial scenes involved in a debut film for any debutant actor. Then why did you choose 3 stories? Were you not scared that मुझे अच्छा makeup नहीं देंगे, इस chiffon की साड़ी नहीं मिलेगी?
No, actually my makeup was very nice anyway.
Oh, that's for sure. But like over the top makeup.
Yeah, but you know, like I think for that time when it happened, it was perfect, and it's never been that. I don't know, it was never my dream. Like, I don't mind commercial. Like, I would love my hair flying and I'm walking and the boy trips looking at me. It's great. I want all that. But at that time, this was perfect. And it happened so fast. Like, I gave the audition. Then, after one day, I met Arjun. I auditioned with the Ankit. And the 4th day, I think I signed the contract. It was perfect. I think once you all will see the film, you all will realize how perfect it is. It's that perfect mix of commercial and like, yeah, it's great.
Nice. We're waiting for the 9th of March. We should just tattoo it on our body and hope that nothing delays any film in 2018 ever. No groups, political parties who want stupid publicity. But let's just moving on. Having said that, the media is here. The cast and the producers and the director of 3 stories are here. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Are you guys ready for the questions? Yes, of course. Okay. Anyone with any questions? Sharmaiye mat.
My question is for Ritesh, sir. After Fukrey Returns, what made you bankroll this project?
No, this film was actually done much before Fukrey. We were just waiting for it for the right time, and like you've been asking them about about the kind of story. I think it's I mean, I don't know what is the definition of commercial cinema. I really don't know. Was Fukrey commercial? Yes or no? Did anybody expect it to do that? I mean, no one can say. Is the story interesting? Is it intriguing? Is it something you want to be a part of and tell? And I think films find its own commerce. It depends on the budget. We did a film in 2006 called Honeymoon Travels. Nobody at that time thought that you were talking of a package honeymoon tour. And after that, many films have been made. Nobody thought Kahani would be commercial. Priya's been a part of 2 or 3 films which she's done as a producer, which was small, niche, and gone out and made its mark and been commercial. So I think every film finds its own platform and people. How much is that commerce is, I don't think is irrelevant. I think as long as you enjoy the experience, you believe in the world, you identify with the characters, you take back something home from it, is what it makes it. So for me, that is exactly we do with any script, whether we did Fukrey or we'll do Gold, Gully Boy, 3 stories, all of them, I think, is it a story we want to tell? Is it a story we feel people will be interesting? And especially in today's time, does this make it for a theatrical experience? I know it's not action, it's not there, but it is a kind of film which we feel and we believe. That is why B4U and Excel have decided to give it that platform and bring it to a cinema and not take it just straight to a digital release. So I think the experience you'll have of it in the theaters is going to be remarkable.
Thank you.
Ritesh, Farhan ki mom kaisi hai?
Ji? I think she's better. She had a fall today morning. That is why he's not with us. I think somebody already told you that. But she's much better. She's got 3 fractures. but I think she'll be fine. So he had to be with her.
Hi, Renuka ma'am on your right. Hi. Renuka ma'am, you are coming to Bollywood after a long time.
You are blushing, my friend. Such a cutie.
Remember
Sorry.
watching Hum Aapke Hai Kaun, you know, that's why. So, what made you say yes to this film?
My God, the screenplay, the kind of screenplay it is, it's a very, very rare film. And I said, as an actor, one looks forward to acting in films which say something different, use, fantastic actors as co-actors, and also tell a story in a very, very different manner. So there's a lot of intrigue, mystery, all the things that attract me as an audience is there in 3 stories. So when I read the screenplay and when they narrated the character to me, I was just floored by it. So it's been 14 years since I've done a Hindi film. Dil Ne Jaise Apna Kaha was my last. So 3 stories is after
Thank
that.
God आपने इसे अपना कहा. 3 stories कर रही हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi Renuka ma'am, Prerna here from TV9.
Hi.
रेणुका जी खूप सुंदर लुक आहे या सिनेमातला. खरं तर सरप्रायझिंग लुक असं म्हणता येईल. बऱ्याच वर्षांनंतर हिंदीमध्ये कमबॅक असं म्हणता येईल. कोणती गोष्ट होती जी या स्क्रिप्टसाठी तुम्ही होकार दिलाय?
मी म्हटलं तसं गोष्ट बेसिकली पटकथा ह्या गोष्टीची तुम्ही जेव्हा चित्रपट पाहाल तेव्हा खूप नाविन्यपूर्ण चित्रपट आहे आणि त्याच्यामधलं जे माझं पात्र आहे ते तर मी कधी इमॅजिन करू शकले नसते की मला कोणीतरी ऑफर करेल. म्हणजे खरंच मम्मी रिटर्न्समध्ये नाही तर मी माझ्या मुलांमध्ये गुंतलेली असते. त्यामुळे त्याच्यातून बाहेर पडायला मला नक्कीच ह्यांनी भाग पाडलं. आणि खरंच सेटवरचा आमचा अनुभव पण इतका नाविन्यपूर्ण आणि वेगळा होता की म्हणजे जे आपण निर्णय कधी कधी घेतो आणि कधी कधी आपल्याला वाटतं की अरे उगाच घेतले, तसं ह्या बाबतीत अजिबात झालेलं नाही आहे आणि खूप वेगळी भूमिका करायला मिळाली, त्याचा मला खूप आनंद वाटतोय.
नेक्स्ट सवाल है पुलकित से. फुकरे का जो मुंडा है वो इस फिल्म में किस अलग तरीके से नजर आएगा?
Okay, मैं हिंदी में बोल लूँ?
जी जी प्लीज.
Okay. No, because Arjun couldn't understand, that's why. Just for that. I like take care of my directors. नहीं, इसमें बहुत अलग है यार. जैसे मैंने कहा उसमें थोड़ा swag है. That's the first thing he actually told me when we started doing the workshops. He said थोड़ा swag कम कर दो, इसमें swag नहीं चाहिए और थोड़े ऐसे next to कपड़े पहनेंगे, ये करेंगे. Then he wanted the side parting. We worked on the look. Then I think majorly we had to work on throwing the swag away because he didn't want swag se swagat for me. So, and the moment I went on the set, I think the energy that Renuka ji gave me, I shot with her the first day, and it was just amazing. And I learned so much from you.
Thank you so much, Pulkit. But I must say, Pulkitच्या बाबतीत, I must say that we did a workshop before the film. Atul Mongia was in charge of the workshop, and we had a really lovely time. And I was very skeptical. I said, this star is going to come for a workshop. I was a bit surprised about that. But he came, and I mean, we did all sorts of improvisations that day. He was so open to all things, even apart from whatever was there in the
I
script.
didn't know even this much before I met you, so I had to come there to learn all of that. No, but in fact, it was a pleasure to be a part of this film because now that I've watched the film, everyone is so good in the film. I'm not counting myself, but everybody is sitting over here, including Sharman sir, who's not here right now. Everybody is fab in the film, yeah. And these two kids who are really new, just look at their eyes, yeah. They're so honest and so full of life in the film. I think it's one of the most endearing performances in the movie.
Ritesh, hi. Yeah, straight. The movie was supposed to release on 7th of Feb, if I'm not wrong.
16th of Feb.
16th of Feb. Why did you
You are
push
wrong.
it? I read it 7th Feb somewhere. That's why I asked you. Why did you push it?
I think this is not a decision which was, I think we had to take in the factor of the other films because of Padmavati. A lot of films were getting pushed. We moved our film from 1st of December to 15th, from 15th back to 8th. So I think those are things, and you have to find the right release date for a film, especially if it's special, it's small, and you need to give it the right release. So we spoke to Anil, who's distributing it, and he said this is the right window for it, and you all should go with that. So that's why it's coming on 9th March, but it's the same film which was going to release then. There's nothing changed.
Okay.
Renuka ma'am, hi, you're straight. You're pretty active on social media. Why not active in movies?
My children are young. My eldest son is in the 10th now. He's going to give his exams very soon. So that's the only reason that I'm a 24/7 mom. So I can't really give so much time to films or television. But once they get into college, I think I'll be seen much more often on film.
Ritesh और
You have
Pulkit.
also, Renuka, you've also, you know, on social media, you're pretty active and you express your opinions. You never shy away from taking on big stars or any topical issue. Have there ever been a time where, you know, any celebrity, has anyone got back to you, reacted negatively to your comments?
Not at all. Wherever I go, whoever I meet, I mean, they've always felt very happy that I take a stand. Very often they tell me that there are certain things they can't say, and I say it on their behalf. So I think everybody is quite happy.
Okay. रितेश और पुलकित आपसे एक सवाल है, आप दोनों से एक सवाल है कि टॉकिंग अबाउट 3 स्टोरीज, तो आपकी क्या यादें हैं विद 3 स्टोरीज? मतलब टॉकिंग अबाउट योर कॉलेज टाइम, तो कुछ ऐसा कुछ यादें रही हैं आपके फ्रेंड्स हो या यू यूज्ड टू हैंग आउट इन सच प्लेस? मतलब ये ऐसे इस मुंबई के इस एरिया में आप मतलब ऐसे हैंग आउट करते थे? प्लीज शेयर समथिंग अबाउट दिस.
मतलब यू नो आई थिंक जो ये कहानी की जो द मेन आई मीन व्हाट अट्रैक्टेड मी, आई थॉट it's not preachy, it's not trying to, it's basically a different narrative of telling एक अलग कहानी है. It talks about community living. हम लोग एक दफ़ा when we were thinking about the pitch of the film, when we were talking about it, so I remember Priya, Arjun, and we were sitting, I said the interesting part about it is what happens in our culture, that your neighbors become your family, you know, people who live. So there maybe your family tree doesn't necessarily need to be a bloodline, it can be your neighbors, you know. So I think that's what we like in like the culture we have in this city and in our country. It's not a weekend culture, you know. Even on a Monday or a Tuesday, I'm sure you feel like you can call up your friend and go and meet him. No one's going to say, "यार मैं सिर्फ आपको weekend पे मिलूँगा." वो सिर्फ US, UK. Fortunately, we are not like that. And I think so. Like I said, so I have memories like that with friends. But the core story is that it talks about, you know, these families which live together and how in a certain level they are connected, which is what you'll have to go and watch the film and it'll tell you.
पुलकित आप बताइए your take, your memories with these 3 stories.
You know, actually मैं जहाँ से हूँ दिल्ली से, वहाँ पे जो हमारा घर है उसमें actually 3 stories ही हैं. So like
इनके memories तो फिल्म में ही है ना, you'll get to see it.
हाय, शिवांगी दिस साइड फ्रॉम आज तक. मेरे सवाल रेणुका जी से है. सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारक, बहुत ही अलग लुक में आप नज़र आ रही हैं और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि अलग रोल देखने को मिले. लगभग कई सालों बाद अब वापस आ रही हैं और 23 साल बाद आप एक बार फिर से माधुरी जी के साथ काम करने वाली हैं, तो उस बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है आपका? काफ़ी लंबा वक्त बीत चुका है.
हाँ, 23 साल बाद हम एक साथ काम करने वाले हैं और कर चुके हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट नो वेदर आई शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट माय मराठी फिल्म ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म बिकॉज आई वांट टू
रेणुका जी, आप हमें मिलती नहीं है हमेशा, इसलिए आज यहाँ मिली हैं तो हमने यही पूछ लिया.
Very disappointed. She is very disappointed.
No, Shivangi, of course, it's a dream to work with Madhuri. 23 साल पहले भी ड्रीम था. उसके बाद मैंने ड्रीम किया कि कभी एक बार फिर काम करना चाहिए, तो वो भी सपना पूरा हो गया. तो शायद ये पिछला साल और ये साल सपने पूरे होने का साल है. सो आई एम लाइक रियली वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव वर्कड विथ हर. एंड आई हैव टू से दैट इफ एनीबडी गेट्स अ चांस टू वर्क विथ हर, प्रोड्यूसर, एक्टर, डायरेक्टर, दे शुड गिव मनी एंड डू इट. शी इज़ दैट फैंटास्टिक.
Reena, I'll not disappoint you. I have another important question. मेरा सवाल पुलकित, रेणुका जी और
Big Boss का घर, she's like, oh, it's my birthday. You can't do this to me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
तो मेरा सवाल आप तीनों से ही है कि आप लोग सोशल मीडिया पर काफ़ी एक्टिव रहते हैं और हमेशा अपने जो भी ओपिनियंस है खुलकर रखते हैं, ऋचा हो चाहे रेणुका जी हो, पुलकित हो. ट्रोलिंग आजकल बहुत आसान हो गया है, जिसे जो मन में आता है वो बोल देता है. तो क्या ये कहीं ना कहीं आप लोगों पर इसका असर होता है ट्रोलिंग का? आप कैसे डील करते हैं?
I think we should start with the expert.
ट्रोल एक्चुअली देखिए, ट्रोल्स को ना ज़्यादातर सिर्फ अटेंशन चाहिए होती है, तो मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि उनको बिल्कुल अटेंशन ना दूँ. सो इफ़ यू ब्लॉक अ ट्रोल, दे डोंट एग्जिस्ट. अगर मुझे लगता है कोई किसी और के साथ बदतमीज़ी कर रहा है, लाइक देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स व्हेन शी इज़ बीइंग ट्रोल्ड, and I found the person and reported abuse. So that's something we can do for each other to make it a space where everybody can express their opinion. क्योंकि आपको जो बात कहनी है वो आप बिना गाली गलौच और बिना फालतू की चीज़ें कहीं भी कह सकते हैं. और ट्रोलिंग का असर उतना ही होता है जितना आप मतलब बिल्डिंग से नीचे गए, आपके पड़ोस वाली आंटी ने बोल दिया अरे आज तुम्हारा चेहरा ठीक नहीं लग रहा, तो थोड़ा यू थिंक अबाउट इट. बट इट डजेंट मतलब फ़िलहाल, एंड आई एम थैंक गॉड फॉर इट, अभी तक मेरा उस स्टेज की ट्रोलिंग नहीं हुई कि मैं अपने बाल खींच लूँ. बट ट्रोल्स आर वेरी इरेलीवेंट. ये एक बहुत दुख की बात है कि इंटरनेट ने सबको इतनी अहमियत दे दी है. इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक दूसरे से मतलब प्यार से भी बात कर सकते हैं.
रेणुका जी,
एक्चुअली मेरा जो नाता है ट्रोल्स के साथ वो थोड़ा सा चेंज कर गया है ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि ऐसे ट्रोल्स, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड ट्रोल्स भी होते हैं ट्विटर पे. मुझे काफ़ी समय लगा ये जानने के लिए. तो पहले मैं बहुत तवज्जो देती थी उनको, मैं उनके हर सवाल का जवाब देती थी. मैं कोशिश ये करती थी कि मैं उनका मन बदल दूँ या उनका स्टांस बदल दूँ. और मैंने कई दफ़ा लोगों के साथ बातचीत की, लोगों ने इनफैक्ट अपने स्टांसेस बदले भी हैं उसके बाद. लेकिन काफ़ी सारे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको शायद पैसे मिले होंगे एक कुछ मुद्दा बताने के लिए, तो वो काफ़ी समय बाद मुझे तो फिर ऋचा से मैंने फिर सीख लिया कि ब्लॉक करना, रिपोर्ट करना, ये सारी चीज़ें अब मैं करती हूँ. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मुझे कभी लग भी जाता है कि नहीं, इसके साथ तो कुछ वार्तालाप होनी चाहिए, तो मैं वो जारी रखती हूँ कभी कभार. बट मुझे लगता है एज ऋचा सेज कि हम सबको अपना समाज माध्यम जो है वो सेफ करने की कोशिश ज़रूर करनी चाहिए. तो उसमें जो भी पहल आप कर सको वो करना चाहिए आपको.
पुलकित,
जैसा आपने कहा कि बहुत इजी हो गया है लोगों को आजकल उनके लिए ट्रोल करना. आई थिंक इक्वली इजी फॉर अस टू ब्लॉक देम और काइंड ऑफ moderate through the whatever tweets or mentions are coming to us. So you can mute it, you can block it, whatever. आपको कोई पसंद नहीं है, आप घर में नहीं घुसने देते हैं, right? या आप बात नहीं करेंगे उनसे. So similarly, you don't waste energy on that. And I think that's why even our digital teams are there who take care of all of this. But we also make sure that we do not, we be a little responsible on the social network. And it's a place where you can share your opinions, but you can't throw judgments on people. And there's a difference between memes and trolls which people have forgotten. One is a humorous take on the topical situations, and the other one is just to fulfill some personal agenda. So just block them.
Sorry, I want to tell you one thing actually, which is a valid point you've asked about trolls. I think what all of them face with trolls, there are a lot of people of late we've been seeing where they'll say something, and I think the media here, which I've said this before also, needs to be a little responsible about not giving them recognition, because the only reason this person is going out there and trolling you, or he's going out there and saying something, he wants his 1 minute of prime time. So if you do not recognize this person and don't make him relevant, that all these people sitting here have suddenly gotten to know, oh, this person exists. So his entire purpose and reason of doing this is because he knows he's going to get the attention and get his fame. So I think we should not be fueling that, like they are saying about blocking a troll. Similarly, even media, I don't think we should be talking about people when they're saying something which is nonsense or bullshit. I think you have to learn to just ignore them and let them be.
रीचा से सवाल है. रीचा, टेल अस अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर, और ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से आपने इस फिल्म के लिए हामी भरी?
देखिए, ये प्रिया हैं. मेरी पहली फिल्म ओए लकी में ये मेरी बॉस थी, और वो रितेश है. मेरी तीसरी फिल्म फुकरे में ये मेरे बॉस थे. तो जब दो बॉसेस हाथ जोड़ लेते हैं, एक साथ हाथ मिला लेते हैं, तो आपको हाँ बोलनी ही पड़ती है. और ये मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़े बिना, मुझे पूरा विश्वास था कि मैं ये करूँगी. जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो मुझे अपना किरदार बहुत अच्छा लगा. उसमें एक बहुत मिस्ट्री है, वो पता नहीं क्या सोच रही है, किसी से ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती. मुझे ये इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट लगा, क्योंकि टेंशन भी होती है ना ऐसे सेट पे. मुझे लगा कि मैं भी अब बस सुंदर बन के सेट पे जाऊंगी. नॉर्मली बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ता है, इसमें मुझे अलग किस्म की मेहनत करनी पड़ी आँखों से. बट इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन टू डू दिस कैरेक्टर. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जिन लोगों के साथ मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया है उनके साथ टू बी रीयूनाइटेड वाज वेरी नाइस.
My question is to Ritesh sir. We've seen a lot of Bollywood movies doing well in overseas markets. So I want to know from you, which are the Bollywood overseas markets, you know, where Bollywood films can do well other than China, according to you?
I think Hindi films are doing well in a lot of markets, US, Gulf. Right now there's a movie releasing, Padman, which I've been told is being dubbed in Russian language. So it'll be in a lot of countries which speak and take movies with Russian language. So I think a lot of markets, Southeast Asia, Australia, New Zealand. So there's a lot. In fact, China is just a new market for us, which has, I think, overtaken the entire Indian market. But it's for the specific films which release there. So there's a huge market. We'll be releasing in a few countries as well. But it all depends on the kind of film it is.
Ritesh, my question is for you. It is being said that Farhan has taken time off from screen to work on Dawn 3. So is the movie finally happening, or like announcement hogi us pe kabhi?
I'm glad you asked this, because usually that's the last question. So I'm great that this is the last question for the evening. Like I said this even before, Dawn is something we want to do, but there's no decision right now to when are we going to start it. I'm very happy to know that everybody looks forward to it. So as soon as we do have a story and a script in place, we'll make a formal announcement.
रिचा जी, पुलकित जी, हाय. ट्रेलर में एक लाइन है कि हमारी फिल्मी दुनिया जो होती है बहुत ही खूबसूरत होती है, एंड उसके अलावा जो रियल लाइफ होती है काफ़ी उल्टा सीधा होता है, काफ़ी लोग डिस्टर्ब रहते हैं. तो आप लोग इस लाइन से कितना इत्तेफाक रखते हैं? पुलकित जी आप बताइए, पहले आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप कितना.
तुम रिचा के फेवरेट हो, पहले रिचा को बोलने दो.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, हम आपके भी फेवरेट हैं.
इस बार तू शुरू कर.
हाँ जी.
It's decided, हाँ, by the way, हम आपके भी फेवरेट हैं. आप हमारे फेवरेट हैं, हम आपके फेवरेट.
ये तो हैं. See, ये तो हमें रोज़ देखने को मिलता ही है यार, जब हम इतने सारे लोगों से मिलते हैं. You know, people, they are obviously a little different than what, you know, they appear to be. And that's your question, right? Correct now? Sorry, मैं रिचा के चक्कर में भूल गया. But it's about the real life and
जो
like,
आपकी रियल लाइफ है.
Real and real.
Real.
Yeah, no. Okay, I'll change my answer. But yeah, there are different kind of films, yeah, where, you know, some really reflect what life is all about, and some really give you the surreal version of life, which we wish life would be like. Always colorful, always, you know, bright, and always like Dharma Productions. But sometimes there is Excel as well, which makes films which has something taken from real life, and then they know how to put a little masala onto that. But definitely there are a few differences, small, big, whatever kind of differences. And that's the fun of being an actor. And I think as a team, we all enjoy that process. जब हमें कुछ ऐसा करने को मिलता है जो हमें real life में नहीं करने को मिलता. And that is why I think it's a medium where we can also, along with entertaining people, can show them the truth, or, you know, kind of throw away a message once in a while.
रिचा जी.
मेरी तो यार रियल लाइफ और रियल लाइफ में बहुत फ़र्क है, क्योंकि हर फिल्म के साथ कैरेक्टर्स बदलते रहते हैं, और फिल्मों में कोई कंट्रोल कर रहा होता है, डायरेक्टर होते हैं, स्क्रीन प्ले होता है, राइटर होते हैं, उसमें उस स्ट्रक्चर में आप घूमते हो. रियल लाइफ का तो डायरेक्टर पता नहीं कौन है. वाह वाह वाह, थैंक्स.
एंड रिचा जी एंड पुलकित जी, या और भी कोई भी जवाब दे सकता है कि वैलेंटाइन डे भी आ रहा है, तो क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक.
इधर से जवाब स्टार्ट होगा.
क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लान होता है आप लोगों का?
आप लोगों का मतलब आपका नहीं होता?
हाँ जी होता है. तो आपका अगर कुछ बताना चाहे आप.
हाँ, वैलेंटाइंस डे पे हमारा बहुत ही अच्छा एक स्पेशल गाना आ रहा है. आई थिंक वो अरिजीत सिंह ने गाया है, तो वो 14 फरवरी को आ रहा है, तो वो देखिएगा. वो सबका प्लान है, एक बार सुन लीजिएगा.
Do we have another question about Valentine's Day or Holi, Diwali?
वैलेंटाइन डे का.
ये मेरा तो 3 दिन से 3 इवेंट से मुझे वैलेंटाइन डे का क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है.
नहीं, ये पहला है. ये पहला है.
और वो HT स्टाइल अवार्ड्स के दिन, उस दिन भी पूछा था.
ओके चलिए.
तुम्हें मेरे साथ डेट पे जाना है क्या?
नहीं.
वैलेंटाइंस डे के दिन.
आप क्या कर रहे हैं वैलेंटाइन
आप
डे?
क्या कर
मुझे
रहे हैं?
आपका प्लान जाना है।
हाँ
देखते हैं, अभी कुछ डिसाइड नहीं किया।
हाँ बस हम लोग भी वही सोच रहे हैं, अभी साथ में बात कर लेंगे फिर।
Guys, one last question. One last question.
My question is for Arjun sir. How did you come about making this film? Where did you get the idea from?
The script came from the writer Althea Delmas. She lives in Dubai. We worked together in advertising many years ago, so we knew each other from a long time back. And she sent me the script, and I really loved it. And but I told her that we have to work on it. So Priya, her, and me, we worked on the script for many months before going to Ritesh. So yeah, that's how we made the film actually.
So was it difficult for you to put together such a brilliant star cast for the film?
Actually, the credit for the star cast goes a lot to the producers because they made the calls, they called the people. My job was to say yes or no. So getting them into the film was, I had nothing to do with it.
We're done? Yes. Super. One last question that I want to ask you. Anything that has been already spoken of over here by the guys from the media, by anything that you've spoken, but there was something that was not spoken of, or something that got missed out, and something that you want to put forth to the audience before they go and watch the film on the 9th of March. Is there anything, Arjun, that you want to say?
Pulkit's skills at continuity were better than the guy we hired to do continuity.
That's important piece of information.
Very impressive.
This is going to go down in history. Okay, we have the cast, the producers, the director of 3 Stories. You guys watch the trailer. Make sure you guys go and watch the film on the 9th of March as well. Can we please have a huge round of applause for everyone over here?
Where is Sanjay?
Sanjay.
Come up here.
Can we
Any
have Sanjay
questions
again?
about the release or anything, you can divert them to Sanjay. Or we can take the photo and leave.
Can we please have Anil Thadani on stage as well, please?
Anil, chup mat, aja. Always you're hiding at the back.
है।